What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm back with my 2024 MX-5 Miata GT. And I'm about to take it for a drive today. I know I haven't been filming this car much. My apologies. This is my fun car. Have a blast driving it. I'm about to share that experience with you all in just a moment here. I've been dealing with a lot of other vehicles I had to get out there first, but I have been neglecting the Miata video, so I'm about to come back with this video. So it should be exciting on some nice curvy roads that I found a little while ago. And yeah, we're about to just hit it and enjoy the Miata in its full essence. That's where we can enjoy it at. It's not a fast car, but on these back roads, I can enjoy it a whole lot. So that's going to be the gist of today's video. A lot of y'all, welcome to the channel. Got a WRX since the last time y'all seen the Miata video, so it's going to be twinning it with the WRX and the Miata. But before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and let's jump into it. Before I drive, I want to talk about the car just a little bit. So we got about 2,400 miles on it. Still haven't gotten its first service. I still ain't washed this thing. Shame on me. I am looking for different modifications. I want to mod both cars, but got to get tires for the winter time. I'm thinking about lowering it, so I kind of got bored with the stock suspension already, so I'm going to do something to stiffen it up just a little bit. And then the interior, what we got here? Oh, the other mods that we got, stubby antenna. And the interior mods really help bring the car alive. I got something new since the last time y'all seen it. Actually, just got it the other day. So this graphic design steering wheel, y'all can't even see it because I'm parked backwards away from the sun. Let me turn this thing around so y'all can really see it. The mods that I got to help this car drive even better is going to be this steering wheel. This steering wheel is a must-have for me because the original steering wheel was on the thin side. This one I got it customized, made it my own way. Got the perforation on the side with the green up in there. Not sure if it's going to pick up on the camera. The most subtle touch, but this thing is comfortable, thick. We also got this armrest right here, extra padding, like a couple inches of pad, matches the stock stitching. It's great. And shout out to my guy Jeff. So he gave me the stubby antenna, this armrest, and this shift knob right here. This is a weighted shift knob. He got it from MX-5 things. And this is the Super Klasse, is that how I pronounce it? But this is going to lower the shift knob's height, but it's weighted as well. So this thing is like super short, and it honestly transformed the car on how good it is to shift. And it's got like a little grip in the front. I am thoroughly enjoying this shifter. I only had it for like a couple of days, but man, this thing is great. And all you do is twist it off and twist it on. So this thing is a blast right here. I highly recommend this shifter. I might like the shifter more with the steering wheel, but they go in tandem, so they work together for a great driving experience. Shut up and drive, Q. All right, my bad. I'm just trying to update y'all. Before we start the driving, though, I also want to give a huge shout out to my guy Gibson. He also has a Miata channel as well. Go check it out. Do me a favor, subscribe to his channel. I'll put it down in the links in the description below. But the guy Gibson, he makes like some nice cinematic movies. I wish I had that kind of talent, and he puts a lot of work into his videos. But Gibson, his videos are nice. He got a Miata. He got that great color too. You know the red one. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Oh my God. Whatever. Driving time. All right, let's get the show on the road. Oh, potholes, goddamn. Look just how good this shifter is to downshift. This thing is great, man. This is a must-have. I'm in one of the wealthiest counties in the world, and the roads are horrible. It's Michigan for you. Now this is where you get to drive a slow car, slow, but it still be fun. Exhaust sounding phenomenal. Once you get off the accelerator, you can hear the, not a pop, but it's like a little burble, belching. This is the perfect time of day to make this drive because the sun's about to be so hot that it's going to come over the top of the roof line and blind me right in the eyes. Somebody doing 10 back here, what the heck? And with all the other praise to the other mods, I cannot forget to shout out this exhaust. That transformed the car. So this car is, I want every excuse to drive my Miata now because it's just so much fun. It's just plain old fun. A gay old time. Can I say that? Can I say that? I don't know. Censorship. Gotta love it. Roadkill. Top down experience, bar none. That's an amazing feeling. Sometimes I have regrets like, damn, should I got a RF? I still don't know. But man, this top down is such a joy every single day. I feel like the luckiest man on the earth to be able to enjoy and experience this kind of fun in the car at this price range, because it ain't nothing else like this aside from the BRZ and the 86. But this is just different, especially with the convertible. Nothing else comes close. I think the next closest car is like maybe a Nissan Z, but it's a little bit different because it's not as lightweight. Well, this car got like, man, 1,300 pounds on the Z. Just the sounds of this car, no slouch either. I ain't getting passed up by everybody. And I'm gonna let them go on ahead so I can enjoy some of these curves. And the wind noise not too bad if you can notice. I got the top down whole time. Gotta love that. And I'm still averaging 27 miles per gallon. And I'm always on this car. I don't take it easy on this car whatsoever. So just to be able to enjoy this car that much, drive it this hard, and it still be that efficient, consumables gonna be super cheap. I don't see what's better out there. And it's very comfortable. Now I know I said I wanted to like get lowering springs, maybe coilovers, but right now lowering springs, we're gonna sit with that idea. I don't know, man. I like how comfortable this is. So if you got a lowering spring that won't compromise the stock ride quality, let me know. Might need some brakes too. Still not speeding. I can just go all the way, 10 tenths. Gotta watch out though. Watch me now. This Goodwin race exhaust, I got the loudest one. It's not too loud. It's loud for a Miata, yes maybe, but for cars in general, no way, Jose. Now, who driving in the dirt on the side of the road? Shame on you. Pay attention. As we come up to the end of this video, the end is nigh. I'm gonna drop a gear, not disappear. If I was in the front, I would. I might just have to do this again. But I'm gonna have to leave y'all with that. Just wanted to give y'all a taste of what the Miata can do. Gonna do some more drives. Might put the POV on so y'all can really experience it. Let me know how you like the dual camera action. So I asked this in a couple videos and didn't get too many responses. So I don't know what to do with it. POV or this dual angle view. I'm thinking the dual angle view is just simpler. I got one less thing to edit, but I don't mind the extra editing. I ain't Gibson though. I can't do that level of editing yet, but I appreciate y'all for rocking along with me. If you got any questions, any modifications, suggestions, if you want to send me something like Jeff, holla at me. Hit me up on Instagram, send me an email, qtochaotic@gmail.com, and we'll make it happen, Captain. So that's all I got to say about that. Y'all remember to drive safe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.